Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to XIAOMI Redmi 10. Firstly, open Play Store on both smartphones. Then tap on the search bar and type Send Anywhere. After that, you need to install this free app from this developer and click on Open. Now select I accept, confirm, continue, and finally allow. Over here you need to tap on Send on an Android and Receive on Redmi 10. Following that, choose all of those dots and choose Send. This way you will send all of those files. It will take a long time though, so I will go with only this one photo. Just send and click Got it in the pop-up. Over here, as you can see, we have two connection ways. We can input this key over here and tap on Receive or Scan QR code. If you want to scan it, tap on this scanning icon on Redmi 10, then choose while using the app or only this time and simply point your camera at the code. Following that, wait a bit and as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!